Hi, welcome to our channel. In this video, we want to show you how you can create an NLP anchor in 5 easy steps. NLP techniques like anchoring are easy to learn and can help create positive emotional states or feelings effectively. Anchoring, a method based on Pavlov's conditioning theory, pairs a physical touch with a desired emotion or behavior. Consider the example of snapping a rubber band on the wrist to stop smoking, associating the pain with the act to discourage it. These techniques influence everyone's life, and sometimes you may not be aware of it. For example, when you walk into a room and smell freshly baked cookies, instantly you feel a sense of warmth, comfort, and nostalgia, even if you weren't thinking about these emotions before. Over time, your brain has created a strong association or anchor between this specific scent and the positive emotional state. The primary application of NLP anchoring is to leverage this awareness and trigger positive mental states at will, especially in challenging situations. To experience NLP anchoring, follow these 5 simple, easy steps. First, identify how you want to feel. For this exercise, we will choose confidence. Think about a strong past moment when you experienced feeling confident. Recall this memory vividly, engaging all senses to immerse fully in that experience. What did that moment feel like? What did you hear and see? Visualize everything about that moment. For step 2, choose a physical gesture, like squeezing your thumb and index finger together, or making a fist. Next, for the third step, relive the confident memory and activate your chosen gesture as the confident feelings intensify. By doing this, you are associating the physical gesture with the memory. For step 4, release the gesture as the feeling fades. If done well and there is no other reason why you should not feel confident, you have successfully set your anchor. For the last step, test the effectiveness by repeating the same exact gesture to see if it elicits that same feeling of confidence again. Remember to be patient and allow it to happen naturally. If it worked, you now have an NLP anchor. Anytime you want to feel confident, repeat your gesture. It's that easy. It's important to mention that anchoring is not foolproof and may not work in situations where overwhelming emotions are intense. Understand the limitations of anchoring. Anchoring can be effective in suitable conditions, but inadequate for deeply rooted issues. NLP anchoring is only one of many tools to help with self-improvement. With practice, anchoring can become a powerful tool to boost confidence instantly, helping you navigate various situations with ease and assurance. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a like and drop us a comment, letting us know if you have tried anchoring. Don't forget to help us grow by liking and subscribing to our channel for more insights and strategies. Thanks for watching. Mind your growth.